school continues to expand. We're over 750 students now, and our superintendent, Mrs. McGargy, who just recently retired, knew that we were getting larger, so we need to expand our facilities.
We had a need. We found great partners to work together. Who can be luckier and better? And look at one of the major renovations that we have here.
Leonia was a fantastic district to work with. They were excited, they were passionate, and we wanted to match that passion. We created a larger-than-life lab, something innovative, creative, with 6 mini kitchens, stainless steel appliances. We wanted to bring something to the students that they've never seen before.
With the assistance of LAN Associates, our architects, we were able to build a state-of-the-art Culinary Arts Hall here in the high school that is absolutely beautiful. Communities of Leonia and Edgewater should be very proud of the fact that their students are going to be able to take advantage of such a wonderful facility.